Steak and potatoes is a classic meal for most people here in Australia. I'm going to show you how you can do a tweak on steak and potatoes with your Ozpig. The little shelf that falls down here is perfect for this because I can lean the potatoes on that and cook them through in the coals. 4 potatoes, I want to cut them in half, in with that. I mean, you can add whatever you want. Classic flavorings for a Hasselback potato, which is what we're doing, is bacon, onion and cheese. Tear off a bit of foil and then I'm going to wrap that up. That'll take about 10 minutes one side, 10 minutes on the other. 2 eye fillets, a little bit of oil on them, and a little bit of salt. They are ready to go. And that'll take about 10 minutes to cook as well. So probably 4 minutes one side, 4 minutes the other, and rest for a couple of minutes. So I've just peeled those potatoes out of their foil skins. So with these, I want the juice to sort of leach out of them and run all over the potatoes. And there we go. Meat and potatoes, Ozpig style, by char grilling on top of the Ozpig and then using the actual coals inside the Ozpig to cook those potatoes.